In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cash App Boost on PlayStation. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an active Cash Card on the latest version of Cash App, you will be able to use it to make purchases on PlayStation with special discounts or on any other website when you have a Boost active. In order to use your Cash App Boost on the PlayStation Store, all that you have to do is open Cash App, switch over to the Card tab by using the options on the bottom of your screen, and in there, select Explore Boosts. This will bring a list of all the boosts that are currently being offered by Cash App. Now you can browse through the list and see if you can find a PlayStation Store boost. If you do, tap Add beside it and you will get all the information relevant to this boost. As you can see, there is going to be an amount off any purchase that you make. It is going to expire in a certain amount of time, and you can check the minimum purchase value and the maximum discount that you can get with this boost. As long as you add the boost to your card the next time you go into the PlayStation Network store and you make a purchase using the Cash Card as the source of payment, you will be able to use this boost and get the benefits listed there. So all that you have to do now is go over to the PlayStation Store, add whatever you want to buy to your cart, anything that is eligible, and when you proceed to checkout, like I said, make sure that you select the option to use a debit or credit card and input the details about the Cash App card. It should go through and the boost is going to be automatically applied, so you don't have to do any manual steps once you reach the PlayStation Store. Just make sure that the boost is active and it is automatically going to go through as soon as you finish the purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App Boost on PlayStation. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.